Hey guys, Michael here with the Daily Note and Merry Christmas. So on that note, I have a very quick and potent tip for you guys for the owners of the Galaxy Note 8 and up. So this is a fairly old feature called Live Message. And the reason I bring up this old feature is that it's a very flashy, amazing feature, but it's a little bit too much to send, except on maybe birthdays. It's amazingly fitting to use for Christmas. So if you like taking family photos, for example, you find a nice setting inside your home, maybe in front of the Christmas tree, or you're outside, there's a nice Christmas tree display. Some people may go to a photo studio, and then you just create like a Christmas greeting card and send it to your friends. And you're just letting people know, hey, our kids are growing up, we're doing great, I hope you guys are doing great too. So it's those photos, and for that, Live Message is an awesome feature. So anyways, I just want to give you a quick demo and encourage you to create something like this and send it off to your friends and family if you haven't yet, or if you have, since today will be Christmas for most of you, you could send it off right now as you're watching this video. So to use this feature, you just take out your S Pen and then you select Live Message. Okay, in your Live Message, just go to your gallery. So you should have your family photo already downloaded. So I found the photo that I want to create a live message with. And if you have been following this channel rather closely, I might have mentioned that my daughter was sick. So what happened was we found this great Christmas tree that they were trying to get people to take family photos in that nobody was using. So I saw this, and I didn't have my tripod. So we were going to come back a week later dressed up with the tripod, and we're going to take this photo, and I was going to make this video. My plan was, in a way, I was going to able to send this Christmas greeting card to everyone who are subscribers and who watch this video. And I had all that planned out. Unfortunately, my daughter got really sick, and we just couldn't make it back during the weekend to take this photo. So this is the photo that I have to show this feature with. So it's a photo of my daughter instead of the whole family, but at least I get to share this with you guys. So anyways, after you choose a photo, you could zoom in and zoom out a little bit. Unfortunately, you can't rotate it like that, but just zoom in and zoom out. So I want to include some of the snowmen and the Merry Christmas sign. So I think that's good. I'm going to click done. And by default, it has this, bright yellow color. And this is the size of the tip. So I actually like all the default settings here. I would have recommended something I liked better, but this is what I like the best. So those are my settings. So I'm just going to write Merry Christmas. So here's what I created. And remember when you learned cursive in elementary school and you thought you were going to use this in your adult life and you just never get to do it? Well, actually, it turns out just like the live message feature, you get to use it on Christmas and birthday. So another fun fact. So anyways, it is as much a reminder as it is a tip that you should use this feature, because you really don't get the chance to use this amazing feature because it's a little bit too flashy. For days like Christmas, it's actually perfect. So if you have a family photo, you could just write a message like this. You could send a MP4 if that's a video file, or you could send a GIF. I prefer MP4 because it produces a higher quality video. So I have it selected. I click on done, and it creates the video file, giving you a little preview. And then it lets you share it. You could send it off as an email, or if you have like Facebook Messenger, or you could upload it to YouTube. Probably email will work best, and it should create a small enough file to where you shouldn't have any problem sending it. So anyways, Merry Christmas again, and that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you think it was worthy, and hopefully I can see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.